Hi everyone, I'm Brijesh and I'm thrilled to be here. So here I've opened Imperial Architectural Template in Revit, and this is a powerful software that allows us to create detailed architectural design. So before we get started, let me quickly introduce you to a wall command in Revit. So you can navigate to Architecture tab, ribbon panel here, and alternatively you can use the shortcut command WA for the same. So let's take a look at the property palette drop down. Here you will find default wall types which is available already in the Revit. So in this episode we are going to explore how to create a new custom wall type to suit a specific requirement. So here I have one wall section which is unique composition of a 5.5-inch wood stud, 5x8 gypsum board on the interior side, 1-inch air gap and 4-inch brick layer on the exterior side. So let's replicate this wall type into our project. So to begin with, let's apply the wall command by using a shortcut WA. Let's navigate to the edit type option. Let's duplicate this existing wall. Let's rename it to 2x6 wall with 4-inch brick. Click OK. Now let's navigate to the edit structure option. In this structure editor, you will find various layers to make up a new wall. And please pay attention to the exterior side and the interior side indicators. These are the critical for the layer placement. So let's first focus on the core of our wall. So that is 5.5-inch wood stud. So let's set the thickness of 5.5-inch for our wood stud and let's assign the material. You can assign any material as per our specific requirement and create our own material. So for now, let me assign a softwood lumber material for our wood stud. Click OK. Now let's add interior layers for this wall section. That is our 5x8 gypsum wall board. So let's use the insert button to insert a new layer. So let's use the insert and set its function to finish 2. And let's assign the thickness which is 5x8 for our gypsum wall board and assign the material. Again, you can use your own material for the requirement. Let me assign the gypsum wall board here. Click OK. And let's set this material location on the bottom of the core boundary, that is interior side. So let's use the down button to move it down on the interior side. Let's insert another material and that is our air layer. Let's assign the thickness of 1 inch. Let's use the 1-inch thickness and assign the material of air. Let's use the air material for now. Select the air, click OK. Again, set this layer on the upper side of the core boundary, which is the exterior side. So use the up button to move it on the upper side. Let's insert the final layer, which is our brick. So insert another layer, set its function to finish 2, or we can use the finish 1, and also set the thickness, which is 4-inch. So use a 4-inch thickness and add the material, which is brick. So for this layer, we will be using the brick common. So use the brick common, click OK. And here we have our new wall type. Also, we can see the preview of our new wall type by using this preview button on the left side corner. So in this view, we can see the section or the floor plan which is necessary. Now, once you have made all the changes, click OK. Again, hit OK. And our new wall type is ready to use. Thank you.